session because I have time. I don't know about you, but like, I hate this map. I hate this map. Like, you see those little pockets under there? Like, they go down there and it's actually game over.
Oh, they're rushing.
Then I could actually like kill him. Kill him. Yeah.
Ease. And free rage as well. They're both rushing, but I can get it.
I break their bed.
Easy. This guy's buns.
We kind of do, but like.
Let's rush sign. Go sign now. Go.
What is this bed defense, man?
Go. I'll get him.
Okay. Oh, what? Dude, what sword are you on?
Stone. Iron now. Almost iron.
Elder tree rushing inside.
I'll get him. Mine.
Okay. Back here. You got a dodo. There's a dodo.
He's at our base, by the way.
Going for a bed. Dude, I'm going. He's running. What the frick? You don't fall in the void.
I died to Fortuna.
Oh, dang.
That's fine. I'm on iron now.
What? What is that knockback?
Fortuna is crazy, bro. That Fortuna that is crazy.
Yeah, I remember when I first unlocked the kit.
Let's just rush all of them.
He's just camping. Dude, come on now. Okay, up there. He's gonna jump down. Yeah, he got a bunch of health from that. Go pressure him. Dude, he's back up there. Wait, I found a way up.
I'm pushing him.
Go get him.
I'm dead. Yes.
No escape.
Dude, he's hacking.
Go get him.
He's hacking. Saw that, right?
Ooh.
That guy over there. He just double jumped in the void. Drop the void.
Hey, we have
See?
video proof, man. We have video proof.
Nothing good.
I gotta keep seeking him.
He's over there.
Oh my god, bro. Hell no, man.
I'm out of blocks.
I got a bunch of blocks. Oh!
Jumping.
What? Running, bro. Wait, I'm low. Nah, all my rage, bro.
The mass hammer.
He's up there. He's here.
Dude, no! He was so low,
No.
man. Come on.
Dude!
No way. What?
Dude, wait. Roblox Bedwars Hacker Experience Part 2 just came out.
No way.